south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Partyville to near Portage, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Portage, Columbus, Horicon, Juneau, Gwinnett, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Hustisford, Rio, Iron Ridge, Cambria, Ashepon, Rubicon, Lebanon, Fox Lake, and Arlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued